The 2025 Mint Red Trike camper is redefining what it means to travel light, smart, and in style. This compact yet head-turning machine isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement for adventurers who want freedom without sacrificing personality. The mint red finish immediately draws eyes, blending a sense of fun with futuristic charm. Whether you're parked at a coastal campsite or cruising through the city, this Trike camper stands out without trying too hard. From the front, the design is all about sleek geometry and compact strength. A three-wheel setup gives it both agility and stability, and the aerodynamic shell makes it efficient on the road. The LED light bar up front adds a modern touch, while reinforced side panels offer just enough ruggedness for light off-road paths. It's the kind of camper that fits just as comfortably in a hip urban neighborhood as it does in a quiet lakeside retreat. Inside, the Mint Red Trike camper maximizes every inch. The cabin is small but smartly designed. There's a convertible sleeping area that folds into a bench seat, integrated storage units for your essentials, and a tiny kitchenette with a single burner and a collapsible sink. It even includes solar-powered ventilation and USB charging ports, making off-grid living feel accessible and sustainable. The ride experience is surprisingly refined for a camper this size. Powered by a whisper-quiet electric motor, it delivers a top speed of around 45 km/h, perfect for city roads and scenic routes. With a single charge range of about 110 kilometers, it's ideal for weekend getaways or daily eco-friendly commuting. Charging it is simple. Just plug it into any standard EV outlet, and it's ready to roll in a few hours. Safety isn't overlooked either. The 2025 Mint Red Trike camper comes with front and rear disc brakes, LED indicators, and a rear-view camera system to make reversing and maneuvering tight spaces easier. And thanks to its compact form, parking it in urban areas or tight campgrounds is stress-free. But the real beauty lies in how it makes you feel. This camper doesn't scream luxury. It whispers independence. It's built for those who want to break away from routine, chase sunsets, and enjoy a slower, more intentional kind of journey. And the mint red color, it just adds that final spark of individuality. Priced at around $9,800 and offering a fuel average equivalent of 90 mpg, it's not just a cool vehicle. It's also incredibly budget-friendly. Whether you're a solo traveler, a digital nomad, or just someone who values smart, stylish mobility, the Mint Red Trike camper is a perfect fit. If you enjoyed this review and want more unique camper content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more exciting reveals and road-ready inspiration.